This is NTMLB 5751. Let's do this thing. We're removing the Angels, randomizing list 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end. Good luck. 1. Wins the Angels. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Winning team is Orioles. 5 times. Orioles on top. Get rid of the randomizer. Find out who's got the Orioles. Orioles are with Michael Tuckley, one of the first teams to go. Come on. How many times do I have to accidentally hit the word enter? Oh, you on the old protein shake?
The shake is back.
Did you go to the 50-cent shop?
This was $1. Thank you.
But is that another run?
No.
Same run. Just getting further and further out of date.
They're still in date. The 16th of December.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Yeah, it's not.
5751. Here we go. Pick your team. Here we go. Oh, Jesus. Smaller one this time. Feels like it's missing something. I don't know. Let's find out. Let's good luck. To 25 for St. Louis, it's Dylan Carlson. Who's everyone's favorite one-off Simpsons episode character? To 25, it is for Baltimore, Cal Ripken. Nice. To 99, it is Ricky Henderson for New York. Up next, on-card auto of Jose Garcia with a little 38 patch to 49. With his 38s there. Up next, for New York, it is Estevan Florial with his Harry Butt autograph. 5 of 99 on-card auto. Up next, big old RPA to 49 of Tyler Stevenson for Cincinnati. Nice little RPA there. Noah Syndergaard to just 15 Game Gear signatures for New York. Very nice. And then finally, Greg Maddux, legendary materials for Atlanta, numbered 22 of 25. Game used material. And that is that for NTMLB 5751. Probably one of the... I mean, there's a lot of nice cards, but nothing amazing. Let's hope the last box from that case can do us well. Hank Scorpio is a fan.